Yeah, quality sleep, going to bed on time. So having a room that's dark, quiet, cool, good mattress. Yeah.
Switching your Wi-Fi off.
Oh, totally. Wi-Fi off.
So you're not getting the electro.
Quality sleep. What else? Quality what else?
Affirmations.
Can do positive affirmations. Supported by physical realm manifestations, physical stuff. But yes, positive affirmation work. What more? Priya?
About self-decision, respect about what I decide.
Okay. Follow your decisions, respect and implement your decisions.
Follow myself.
Or listen to your intuition. Is this what you mean?
Yes.
So listen intuition, follow decisions.
Yeah.
I'll write this down. Yeah, listen. This is a very important one. What else?
Stand up for yourself.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
If people say something to you that is not true or you don't agree with.
Stand up for yourself. What else? What about to do with laughter, joy, play, hobbies, care? What about in that realm?
Can we say being around people we enjoy?
Yeah, quality friends, quality relationships.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Now we're getting into like the detail, the nitty gritty.
A variety, like allowing yourself to have some variety in your life, not just everything the same. Because in nature, which is a good point you mentioned, there's lots of variety. Diversity, things to see.
Creates resilience.
Yeah. I think.
And also maybe spontaneity. A little bit of spontaneity. What about laughter? You know, that could come under quality relationships. But laughter. Huh? Selfies? Surfing? Surfing? Wouldn't you say?
Well, I don't know.
For me, I would say surfing. Maybe meditating. Maybe yoga. Maybe just walking in the park. Quality relationships. But
Gratitude.
Mm-hmm.
Gratitude, for example.
But
I would say, what can I say? To be mindful in all aspects of your day. Yeah. How you conduct yourself, how you exercise, how you eat. To be aware where your mind is going to.
Yeah, without being too harsh on yourself, because we're all on this journey. So I think that's the point. When we're looking at this I love you aspect, if we can start to ground that into reality, if you remember that first page of love, work, hobbies and health, and if we can start to embed some of this into that, then we can start to change our lives more in line with self-care and self-love. Does that make sense? It's just to try and ground it so it's less abstract. You could take a photo of that or write it down.